Excellencies, distinguished delegates, let me join my President in once again extending our warm welcome to all of you, to Kenya and to this beautiful city of Nairobi. Mr. President, according to the IPCC special report on 1.5, warming up to 1.5 is likely to be reached over the next 2 or 3 decades if the world continues with business as usual approach to greenhouse gases emission. Further, the 2019 Global Chemical Outlook report, which has been launched here, reports that hazardous chemicals and other pollutants continue to be released in large quantities with accumulation in the environment. Also, the GEO6, the African edition, reveals that climate change continues to have serious implications on the availability of Africa's arable land and fresh water. Biodiversity loss also poses a major threat to Africa's ecosystems. The members of UNEA, one in 2014, made critical decisions on how the world can resolve environmental challenges. By the conclusion of this session, member states will have made additional key decisions and adopted various resolutions for implementation. The complete or substantial implementation of the Assembly's resolution, however, remains a challenge that we need to respond to and provide solutions. Otherwise, the economic practice causing global environment challenges will remain intact. Kenya therefore proposes that during this session that we should consider coming up with a mechanism for stock taking, and also, most importantly, for a mechanism for tracking and monitoring the implementation of our resolutions. To enhance the level of implementation of the Assembly's resolution, it is important to also concretize fairness and equity between different states. These include systems to mobilize adequate financial resources, technology transfer, and capacity building that can support countries that require such support. In order to entrench democracy and human rights, there is need for members to apply public participation in implementation of the Assembly's resolution. The role of civil society, private sector, citizen in engaging with government is also important. In conclusion, Kenya looks forward to collaborating with like-minded partners in working towards the diligent and timeless implementation of the Assembly decisions towards innovation and sustainable production and consumption. I thank you all, and shukran sana.